Learning methodology and design. Some people have asked me, what makes the entrepreneurship training programs I offer so special? What makes them different from the hundreds of other entrepreneurship training programs out there? It's the way the courses are designed that makes them so special. You see, they aren't designed to teach you things. That's why there are no quizzes or checks on learning. Learning is an obvious byproduct of taking the courses. You can simply open the workbook and see that you will learn some stuff. But that's not what they're designed for. Several years ago, when I first got out of the Army, I got a job teaching counterterrorism analysis for Lockheed Martin. Over the next 5 years, I learned a whole lot about how to design courses. The theory in our office was that there's no point in teaching people new things if we don't teach them how to apply those things in real life. All the Dev P3 courses will present you with new information, but more importantly, every course is intentionally designed to help you apply that new knowledge directly to building the life and business of your dreams. To do this, I use brain-based learning design, the neuroscience for how our brains learn best. Long story short, the popular theory of learning styles, the idea that some learn best by seeing, others by writing, and others by hearing, doesn't really hold up in scientific study. What does hold up is that we all learn best by doing. Our brains are able to retain and then apply new knowledge better when that new information is broken up into smaller pieces. The actual instruction time is minimal, and the majority of the time spent learning is spent actually applying that new knowledge to a real-life problem set. To do this, I make each module of instruction less than 20 minutes in length. Actually, most of the videos for the lessons are less than 10 minutes. By breaking the course material up into smaller pieces like this, I'm able to maximize your ability to retain the information that you've learned. Then, I accompanied each lesson with a practical exercise to facilitate you in applying that new knowledge directly to your problem set, building your business. I also designed these courses to be accessible. One thing that came very clear to me when I began this work is that no entrepreneurial journey is the same. No one starts in the same place, nor works in the same way. That's why I modularized the course content, so you can simply seek out the exact tool you need at each step of your entrepreneurial journey. These courses are also built to be accessible because the only materials you need to take these courses are an electronic device to view the materials and something to write with. You can write with a pen and paper, on a chalkboard or a whiteboard, or on your phone or computer, whatever works best for you. I will be honest though, it was really challenging for me to put all this course content into a digital format for you to do on your own. In my in-person courses, I'm just one of many teachers. Each of the students in the course offers their own unique knowledge and perspective that allows all of us to learn together, to create new meaning out of the core curriculum and facilitate each other through the exercises. If you have trouble or get caught up on one of the practical exercises, please reach out to me so I can help facilitate you through the process and amend the curriculum to serve all of my clients better. This is also why, if possible, I highly recommend you get some of your friends or colleagues on board so you can all take the course together. With this approach, I'd love for y'all to watch the videos and then discuss the content and explore how each of you interpreted it, because often the students are the greatest teachers. We all have unique perspectives to learn from and support each other with. Then, you would each do the practical exercises on your own, but come back together to share and talk through what you came up with for your business. By using this community support system, you're able to critique and refine your ideas and make them even better. I'm not here to be an expert on anything, and I certainly can't tell you what success means for you. My goal in all of my teaching is to provide some information and a framework to help you organize and then act on your ideas. You have my permission to alter and adapt any of my content to you, your culture, your industry, and your needs. This isn't my knowledge. I don't own it. I simply had the privilege to attend college and graduate school. I had the privilege to work for some of the world's biggest companies and attend highly sought after business training. I had the privilege to travel the world and learn from different people and cultures. Literally hundreds of thousands of dollars have gone into me having the knowledge and experience I need to be able to teach this curriculum. And now I believe it's my responsibility to pass on this knowledge to others so they can create that privilege for themselves and their communities as well. It seems like most solopreneur courses on the market are just some $500 Zoom recordings from another workshop the person held, or some formula that worked for an influencer online. These courses are different because they were built by someone with over a decade of experience working in business, starting and scaling multi-million-dollar projects, who also happens to have a bunch of experience building curriculum designed to maximize not only retention, but application. I have intentionally designed the courses so you can reimagine yourself as a business, applying the strategy, analysis, and techniques taught in MBA programs all over the world, but altered specifically to suit the needs of a solopreneur instead of a corporation. I don't just want to teach you some stuff. I want to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to sustain your business and yourself over time.